Good morning, students. Welcome back in this class. Today, I am going to discuss about the first chapter of class 7th standard, that is multiplication and division of integers. Before starting this chapter, we will discuss about the some term which is related to the integers. In this video, we will discuss about the multiplication and division of integers. Now let us start. First of all, we will discuss about the numbers which is based on the number line. So here is the number line, that is 0, and right of the 0 on the number line, all the number are positive, 1, 2, 3, 4, and left side on the 0, that all the number will be negative. Here is the first term of in this video, that is the natural number. Natural number, what is the natural number? As you know, natural number is a counting number. Adding 1 by itself, the next number is obtained, and starting from the 1. Here is the starting from the 1, all the natural number means that is the 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. All the natural number, that is the natural counting number. So natural number is counting number and starting from the 1. That is called the natural number. Natural number is a countable number, and all the natural number adding 1 by itself, the next number is obtained. Here is the first number, that is 1, and if the plus 1 in any natural number, the next number is obtained. Here is the first number is 1, and add by 1 the first number, the next number is obtained, that is 1 plus 1, that is 2. So next, that is 2, then 2 plus 1, that is 3. 3 plus 1, that is 4. So it is clear that all the natural number adding 1 by itself, the next number is obtained. So according to this definition about the natural number is a countable number, and starting from the 1 and adding 1 by itself, the next number is obtained. Here is the 1 plus 1, that is the 2, 2 plus 1, that is 3, 3 plus 1, that is 4. So next number is the whole number. Whole number means that is the complete. So here is the, according to definition of the whole number, all the natural number together with 0. So on the number line, starting from the 1, all the countable number, that is the natural number. If all the natural number together with 0 means all the natural number together with 0, that is called the whole number. Means 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on included with 0. In other words, all the natural number included with 0, that is called the whole number. And next term is the integers. Next, integers. Integers, according to the definition of the integers, here is all the positive, negative and 0 number represent on the number line. So right side of the 0, all the number that is the positive, and left side of the 0, that is negative number. So according to the definition of the integer, all the negative, positive and 0, that is called the integer. So here is the positive, negative, positive and 0. The set of the positive, negative and 0, that is called the integer, or in other words, a group or set of the whole number together with negative number. Whole number means all the natural number together with 0, that is the whole number, and whole number included with negative number, that is called the integer. So integers, whole number and natural number. Natural number starting from the 1, all the counting number, that is the natural number, and natural number together with 0. Natural number together with 0, that is called the whole number, and all the whole number included with negative number, or in other words, positive, negative, positive and 0. A group or set of the positive, negative and 0, that is called the integers. In this sequence, we will discuss about the multiplication or properties of the multiplication. The first property of the multiplication, that is the closure property. In this sequence, we will discuss about the first property of the multiplication of the integer, that is the closure property. According to this property, if the two integers, the product of two integers is always an integer. Here is suppose that the two integers a and b. Closure property of the multiplication, that is two integers a and b, the product of two integers gives always a integer. Means here is the two integers a and b, the product of two integers means a into b equal to also an integers in integer. Suppose that here is the two integers a equal to 2 and b equal to minus 3. On this property, if the product of or multiplication of two integers gives an integers, here is the two integers 2 and minus 3. According to this property, the product of two integers, that is a into b equal to, the put the value of a equal to 2 and b equal to minus 3. Then 2 into minus 3, that is minus 6. So here is the minus 6 is also an integer. So closure property over the multiplication is follow, and product of two integers gives an integers. And the next property, that is the commutative property. Next property of multiplication, that is the commutative property. Commutative property, if the two integers or the product of two integers is also equal to the product of both integers, if the change their position. So here is the two integers, that is the a and b. Suppose that there are the two integers a and b. The product of two integers according to commutative property over the multiplication. The product of two integers a into b equal to or same as if the change their position, means a into b equal to b into a. The product of two integers is also equal to the product of both integers if change their places or position. So here is the, now let us consider there are the two integers a and b, that is 3 and 4. Suppose that the value of a equal to 3 and b equal to minus 4. So verification of this property, that is the commutative property, left hand side, that is a into b, then put the value of a and b here. The value of a is 3 and value of b equal to minus 4, then minus 4, then 3 into minus 4, that is minus 12. 3 into minus 4, that is minus 12. Right hand side b into a. Here the put the value of b and a, then the value of b equal to minus 4 and a equal to 3, then minus 4 into 3, then minus 4 into 3, that is minus 12. So commutative property over the multiplication to verify according to these examples. So here is the product of two integers according to this property, commutative property. The product of two integers is also equal to the product of both integers if change their position. So here the a into b equal to b into a. In this sequence we will verify if the value of a equal to 3 and b equal to minus 4. So here the left hand side, that is a into b, put the value of a and b, in this case 3 into minus 4, that is minus 12. On the other way, the right hand side, that is b into a, put the value of b and a, minus 4 into 3, that is minus 12. Here the value of a into b minus 12 and b into a minus 12, means left hand side equal to right hand side. So the verify of commutative property over the multiplication. And next property, that is the associative property. And next property, that is the associative property. Associative property over the multiplication. Here is there are the three, suppose that there are the three integers a, b and c. According to this property over the multiplication, a into b bracket into c is also equal to the a into bracket b into c. Associative property follows over the multiplication, means They are the three integers a, b and c. Regarding to this property, in bracket a into b, bracket close into c equal to a into bracket b into c. Now let us consider the sum number a, b and c. A equal to, here is the a equal to 5, b equal to -4 and c equal to 3. So verify of this property according to the associative property. Here is the left hand side, that is left hand side a into b bracket close into c. So put the value of a, b, c here. Value of a equal to 5, b equal to -4 and c equal to 3. So put the value of a, b, c here. Then 5 into -4 bracket close into c equal to 3. Then 5 into -4, that is -20 into 3. Then -20 into 3 gives result, that is -60. On the other way, right hand side, that is RHS equal to a into bracket close b into c. So here either put the value of a, b, c here. A equal to 5 and b equal to -4 into c equal to 3. Then 5 into the product of -4 and 3, that is -12. Then 5 multiplied -12, that is -60. So here is the verify of the associative law, that is left hand side, that is -60 and right hand side, that is -60. In this case, left hand side equal to right hand side. So multiplication over the integers, associative property a into b bracket close into c equal to the a into bracket close b into c. That is left hand side equal to right hand side.